Prime Day 2026 just dropped some of the best bushcraft and camping deals we've seen all year, and we went through all of them so you don't have to. From fire starting tools to power stations, we've rounded up 38 deals worth your attention. Every link is in the video description below. Amazon Prime Day cutting tools and fire starter deals. Number 38. S-Wing Camper's Axe 14-inch orange hatchet was $46.99, now $37.99, 19% off. Few hatchets on the market can claim they're made entirely in the USA. This S-Wing does, and it shows in the quality. It handles logs, kindling, branches, and 10 stakes that equal ease thanks to one-piece American steel construction. The shock reduction grip keeps vibration in check, and the included ballistic nylon sheath with belt loop means it's always within reach on the trail. Number 37. Maracniv Companion Heavy Duty Knife was $26.99, now $20.87. 23% off. Swedish craftsmanship meets everyday outdoor needs with this Maracniv, a go-to blade for campers and bushcrafters worldwide. The 4.1-inch high-carbon steel blade runs 0.125 inches thick for added toughness where it counts. A friction grip ergonomic handle and belt clip sheath round out a package that punches well above its price point. Number 36. Gerber Gear Flat Iron Folding Pocket Knife was $59.99, now $39.98, 33% off. The cleaver-style blade on the Gerber Flat Iron isn't just a look. That 3.6-inch D2 steel profile gives you serious edge retention for outdoor and everyday cutting tasks. A thumb hole, finger choil, and frame lock make one-handed operation smooth and safe. The aluminum handle keeps it tough without adding unnecessary weight to your kit. Number 35. Gerber Gear Vital Pack Compact Saw was $24.99, now $20.30, 19% off. Packing a capable saw doesn't have to mean adding bulk. The Gerber Vital Pack Saw solves that with a 3.4-inch stainless blade and cross-cut teeth in a compact clip-friendly design. The bright orange rubber handle gives you grip and visibility in the field, which matters when conditions change fast. A fabric sheath keeps it secure on a pack or belt until you need it. Number 34. Rex Betty Folding Saw 14-inch was $37.90, now $29.99, 21% off. When you need a saw that actually handles thick branches, the Rex Betty steps up with a 14-inch hardened SK5 steel blade that folds away cleanly when you're done. The 5.5 TPI staggered teeth cut at 4 angles, making every stroke faster and smoother throughout dense wood. An 8-inch rubber-coated handle gives you a controlled, comfortable grip regardless of the conditions. Number 33. Fangfo 14-in-1 Stainless Steel Multi-Tool was $15.99, now $9.99, 38% off. Under $10 for a 14-in-1 multi-tool that actually holds up, that's the kind of deal that's hard to pass on. Pliers, knives, screwdrivers, a file, can opener, bottle opener, and more are packed into stainless steel with a safety locking system keeping everything in check. A nylon sheath makes it easy to clip on for camping, fishing, hiking, or everyday fixes around the house. Number 32. Beccaria Fire Starter Survival Tool was $9.99, now $6.99, 30% off. Getting fire going in wet or windy conditions requires a reliable ferro rod, and this Beccaria kit is built around one. It pairs the large rod with tinder ropes, tinder tabs, a leather lanyard, and a 6-in-1 striker so you're covered from first spark to sustained flame. Whether it lives in your EDC kit, bug-out bag, or camping pack, this is a practical all-in-one setup when it matters most. Number 31. Zippo Mag Strike was $20.95, now $16.95, 19% off. Zippo's reputation for outdoor reliability carries over to the Mag Strike, the spark-based fire starter worth keeping in any hiking or emergency kit. The 5/16-inch ferrocerium rod, sharpened striker blade, and shielded internal chamber are built for consistent use in field conditions. The snap-lock closure and textured, triangular grip make it easy to operate even with cold or wet hands. Amazon Prime Day camp cooking and shelter gear deals. Number 30. Solo Stove Titan Camping Stove was $79.99, now $63.99, 20% off. No canisters, no batteries, no hassle. The Solo Stove Titan runs entirely on natural wood fuel you find at camp. Its stainless steel double-wall design creates a secondary combustion burn that's hotter and far less smoky than a standard fire. The nesting build packs tight, and the included nylon stuff sack makes it clean and quick to throw in a bag before your next trip. Number 29. BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus Complete Kit was $299.95, now $209.89, 30% off. This kit does something no standard camping stove does. It burns wood and generates real USB power from the heat and natural biomass. The 3200 mAh battery, adjustable fan, and fast boil capability make it practical for campsites, road trips, and emergency situations. The complete package includes the stove, portable grill, kettle pot, coffee press, flex light, stuff sacks, and charging cable. Number 28, GSI Outdoors Glacier Stainless Camper 4-Person Cookware Set was $119.95, now $89.96, 25% off. Feeding a group at camp is a lot easier when your cookware is purpose-built for it. This 17-piece GSI set covers stainless pots, a fry pan, plus mugs, bowls, and plates for 4 people in one nesting design. The carry bag doubles as a camp sink, a small detail that makes cleanup much less of a project. Number 27, GSI Outdoors Halulite 2-liter aluminum pot was $64.95, now $44.96, 31% off. Hard anodized aluminum hits a sweet spot between lightweight and durable, which is exactly what makes this GSI Halulite pot a solid trail companion. At 2 liters, it handles pasta, soups, chili, and more without feeling oversized for solo or small group cooking. The straining lid, folding handle, and silicone thumb pads cut down on small frustrations of cooking outdoors. Number 26, Jetboil Flash Portable Fast Boil Stove was $144.99, now $108.74, 25% off. 2 minutes to a boil is the headline, but the Jetboil Flash delivers on convenience from start to finish. One-step auto ignition, a secure locking system, and an insulated 1-liter cooking cup make trail meals straightforward without fuss. When fuel and pack weight both matter, this is one of the most time-efficient stove setups you can bring on a backpacking trip. Number 25, MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Ultralight Camping Stove was $59.95, now $36.89, 38% off. At 2.6 ounces, the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 is the kind of stove that disappears into your pack until you need it. It boils a liter of water in 3.5 minutes, adjusts from a gentle simmer to a rolling boil, and requires 0 priming or preheating to fire up. The included protective case makes it even easier to stash safely alongside the rest of your trail kit. Number 24, Sea to Summit Frontier Ultralight Collapsible 1-liter pot was $77.95, now $58.46, 25% off. Collapsing down to just over an inch high is the defining feature of the Sea to Summit pot. Serious pack space savings for solo backpackers and bikepackers. The hard anodized aluminum case and lid handle heat transfer efficiently, so cooking performance isn't sacrificed for the compact design. When the meal's done, the silicone sides pull double duty as a lightweight bowl. Number 23, Eno Double Nest Lightweight Camping Hammock was $84.95, now $63.71, 25% off. Room for 2, weight like a feather. The Eno Double Nest is one of the most popular hammocks on the market for a reason. The 9.5-foot double design holds up to 400 pounds, and breathable nylon with triple-stitched seams keeps it comfortable and durable through long seasons of use. It packs small enough to forget it's in your bag until you find the perfect pair of trees. Number 22, Eno Atlas Suspension System was $29.95, now $22.46, 25% off. Hammock setup gets a lot faster when you're not wrestling with knots. The Eno Atlas straps are designed specifically to eliminate that problem. 30 attachment points give you precise height and angle adjustments, and the wider strap profile spreads weight across the bark to help protect trees. They hold up to 400 pounds and work with any hammock, not just Eno. Number 21, Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock was $29.99, now $23.83, 21% off. Everything you need to get off the ground is already in the bag with this Wise Owl Outfitters hammock. Straps, carabiners, and a built-in stuff sack included. The 210T parachute nylon breathes well and holds up to triple-stitch seam stress. Whether you're hanging at a campsite, on a beach, or in the backyard, it's a no-fuss hammock at a price that makes it easy to keep one in the car. Number 20, Wise Owl Outfitters Hammock Rainfly was $59.99, now $43.91, 27% off. Waterproof ripstop nylon with tape seams and reinforced stitching, this Wise Owl Rainfly is built to actually keep you dry when things get serious. The 11x9-foot footprint gives you generous coverage for hammock camping, backpacking, shade, or emergency shelter. Guy lines, aluminum tent stakes, stake bag, and a waterproof carry bag are all included so you can pitch it and move on. Number 19, Kelty Cosmic 20 Down Mummy Sleeping Bag was $179.95, now $107.48, 40% off. 40% off a quality down sleeping bag is the kind of Prime Day deal worth jumping on. The Kelty Cosmic 20 packs 550 filled dry down into trapezoidal baffles that trap heat without cold spots, while dual locking zippers and an internal stash pocket add real convenience on cold nights. It compresses small enough for 3-season backpacking without the premium price of most down bags. Number 18, Sea to Summit Silk Blend Sleeping Bag Liner was $99.95, now $74.96, 25% off. Upgrading your sleep system doesn't always mean buying a new bag. A quality liner can add warmth, comfort, and cleanliness in one move. This Sea to Summit Silk Blend uses Thermalite Pro fibers for for heat retention and high-Q odor control to stay fresher on extended trips. The pillow sleeve, rectangular shape, and adjustable footbox draw cord make it a genuinely practical addition to any camping sleep setup. Number 17. Coleman Sun Dome Dark Room 6-Person Tent was $212.49, now $119.99, 44% off. Sleeping in past sunrise at camp is finally possible. Coleman's dark room fabric blocks 90% of sunlight so the whole family can actually rest. The 10 by 10 foot floor fits 2 queen-size airbeds, and the 6-foot center height means adults aren't hunching around inside. WeatherTech construction, a rainfly, e-port for power cords, and reflective guy lines cover the practical basis for weekend family trips. Number 16. Fantic Outdoor Instant Cabin Tent was $229.99, now $183.98, 20% off. Pre-attached poles mean this Fantic Outdoor Cabin Tent goes from bag to livable in under 60 seconds. A legitimate game changer for families setting up after a long drive. The 13 by 9 foot interior fits 2 queen air mattresses with mesh windows, floor vents, a mesh ceiling, interior pockets, and a power cord port, adding the kind of comfort that keeps camping enjoyable. Water-resistant fabric, a rainfly, stakes, and adjustable guy lines handle the weather side. Amazon Prime Day hydration, navigation, light, and power deals. Number 15. Life Straw Personal Water Filter was $19.95, now $15.49, 22% off. There's a reason this is one of the most recommended pieces of emergency and outdoor gear anywhere. It works, it's simple, and it requires nothing to operate. The hollow fiber membrane removes bacteria, parasites, microplastics, dirt, and sediment so you can drink with more confidence from outdoor water sources. It's light enough to keep in a backpack, bug-out bag, or glove box without thinking twice. Number 14. Live Straw Peak Series 1-liter Water Filter was $43.95, now $31.29, 29% off. Versatility is what sets the Life Straw Peak Series apart. This 1-liter collapsible squeeze bottle lets you drink directly, squeeze filtered water into cookware, use it as a straw, or connect it to other Peak Series systems. The enhanced microfilter handles bacteria, parasites, microplastics, silt, and sediment, so you're covered across a wide range of water sources. A packable, collapsible design makes it easy to fold flat when empty and expand when you need it. Number 13. MSR Trail Shot Ultralight Water Filter was $69.95, now $51.89, 26% off. One-handed squeeze operation and a 1 liter per minute flow rate make the MSR Trail Shot one of the most field-efficient water filters available for fast-moving outdoor use. It's built for backpacking, trail running, travel, and emergency preparedness. Compact enough to pocket and quick enough to keep you moving, bacteria, protozoa, and particulates are filtered without chemicals, so you're not adding anything to your water in the process. Number 12. Nalgene 27-ounce wide-mouth water bottle was $16.99, now $13.49, 21% off. Nalgene bottles have been trail-tested for decades, and the 32-ounce wide mouth remains one of the most practical hydration choices going. The wide mouth opening handles ice, powders, and easy cleaning without hassle, and the Triton Renew build is BPA, BPS, and phthalate-free for everyday use. Lightweight and shatterproof, it goes from the trail to the gym to the office without complaint. Number 11. Stanley Classic Legendary Vacuum Bottle was $45, now $34.57, 23% off. Hot drinks stay hot, cold drinks stay cold. The Stanley Classic Vacuum Bottle delivers up to 24 hours of temperature retention for workdays, camping, and everyday carry. Rugged 18/8 stainless steel construction with a leak-resistant lid, wide mouth opening, and collapsible handle give you a reliable vessel for coffee, tea, soup, or anything in between. It's built to outlast the trips you take it on. Number 10. Garmin InReach Mini 2 Satellite Communicator was $399.99, now $249.99, 38% off. Cell service ends, the Garmin InReach Mini 2 doesn't. This compact satellite communicator keeps you connected anywhere on the globe through two-way messaging, interactive SOS, location sharing, trackback routing, digital compass navigation, and Garmin Explore app syncing with an active subscription. Up to 14 days of battery life and 10-minute tracking mode makes it a serious safety upgrade for anyone heading into remote terrain. Number 9. Black Diamond Spot 400R Rechargeable Headlamp was $79.95, now $59.89, 25% off. IP67 waterproofing and 400 lumens of output make the Black Diamond Spot 400R a headlamp that holds up when conditions don't. The rechargeable 1500 mAh battery, dimming range, strobe mode, red night vision, and lock mode give you precise control across hiking, camping, trail running, and emergency situations. Hands-free lighting that actually performs in bad weather is worth having in your kit. Number 8. Suunto MC2 Compass was $95, now $68.80, 28% off. Navigation that doesn't depend on batteries or signals starts with a quality compass, and the Suunto MC2 is the benchmark for serious outdoor use. Adjustable declination correction, a sighting mirror, metric UTM scales, and a built-in clinometer for slope angle measurement give you tools that go beyond basic bearing work. Luminescent markings extend its usability into low light and nighttime conditions. Number 7. Coleman Classic Rechargeable LED Lantern was $96.99, now $60.04, 38% off. 800 lumens with a 45-hour runtime on low mode is an impressive combination for a camp lantern. The Coleman Classic Rechargeable delivers both IPX4 water resistance, impact-resistant housing, and a carabiner handle make it easy to hang at camp, carry in the rain, or use during power outages at home. 3 brightness settings and a flashing mode give you flexibility from casual campfire lighting to emergency signaling. Number 6. Goal Zero 500 Lumen Torchlight was $49.95, now $36.89, 26% off. 4 functions in one weatherproof body. The Goal Zero torch works as a flashlight, spotlight, floodlight, and solar lantern depending on what the moment calls for. A built-in solar panel, rechargeable battery, and 5200 mAh power bank and 5200 mAh power bank function mean it can keep devices charged while it keeps the area lit. It earns a permanent spot in car kits, camp bags, and emergency preparedness setups. Number 5. Osprey Atmos AG 50-liter men's backpacking backpack was $350, now $254.95, 27% off. The anti-gravity suspension on the Osprey Atmos AG 50-liter is what separates it from standard packs. It extends from the back panel into the hip belt, distributing weight in a way that makes long days on trail significantly more comfortable. A floating top lid and included PFAS-free rain cover handle organization and weather protection for multi-day trips. If you're in the market for a serious backpacking pack, this deal is worth acting on. Number 4. Sea to Summit EVAC Compression Dry Bag 35-liter was $59.95, now $44.96, 25% off. Weatherproof and compressible in the same bag, the Sea to Summit EVAC rolls closed at the top while an air-permeable base lets you push out the bulk as you compress. Taped seams, 4 compression straps, and a streamlined shape help you pack smarter for backpacking, camping, and water sports. The bright interior makes it easy to spot what you're looking for, even in low-light situations. Number 3. Adventure Medical Kit Ultralight Watertight 0.5 was $31.95, now $23.89, 25% off. 72 pieces of trail-ready first aid in a waterproof Dryflex bag. The Adventure Medical Kit is built for up to 2 people on short hiking, biking, or climbing trips. Wound care, bandages, antiseptic wipes, medication, blister essentials, and insect sting relief cover the most common trail mishaps in a compact package that doesn't weigh down your kit. This is the kind of thing you carry and hope you never use. Number 2. Marlboro Portable Power Station 88 Watt-hours was $109.99, now $69.99, 36% off. Compact enough to carry anywhere, the Marlboro 88 Watt-hour packs AC outlets, USB and USB-C ports, DC output, and a built-in LED light with SOS mode into a design light enough for camping, road trips, and emergency backup. Battery management system protections keep your devices safe while it runs. It's a smart pick for keeping phones, tablets, and small outdoor essentials charged when the grid isn't an option. Number 1. Bluetti Elite 30 V2 Portable Power Station was $299, now $218.98, 27% off. Life PO4 battery chemistry, 288 watt-hours of capacity, and 600 watt continuous output with power lifting up to 1500 watt make the Bluetti Elite 30 V2 one of the most capable compact power stations in its class. It charges via wall, solar, or car, pushes 140 watt PD to laptops, and switches to UPS mode within 10 milliseconds for sensitive gear like CPAP machines and routers. Whether it's a winter storm, a remote campsite, or a long trip, this handles the power side of the equation. If you found even one deal worth grabbing today, do us a favor and hit subscribe. We're all about survival, and we cover gear like this all year long. More deals, more finds, more content. We'll see you in the next one.